Welcome to this video on agentic identity. As AI agents become more autonomous, they require their own digital identities to function securely in the digital economy. Traditional identity management is failing to keep pace with the explosion of non-human entities. We must transition from human-centric models to a framework for agentic trust that emphasizes delegation over impersonation. This technical blueprint illustrates how cryptographic accountability replaces implicit trust, forming the core of an agentic trust stack. With a 144-to-1 machine-to-human identity ratio, current systems are struggling. Many organizations lack proper tooling, leading to significant risks from shared secrets and ambient authority vulnerabilities. AI identity is fundamentally different from human identity. It requires runtime cryptographic attestation and task-bound persistence, rather than biological or static human traits. Effective governance of agentic identity occurs across 4 layers: model identity, agent identity, workload identity, and delegated identity. Transitioning to autonomous models exposes critical gaps in semantic intent, recursive delegation, and operational costs. Addressing these is essential for secure scaling. By moving enforcement to the kernel layer, we can continuously bind identity to executing processes, neutralizing risks like credential exfiltration, without requiring changes to application code. Decentralized identifiers enable a 4-phase cryptographic handshake to establish trust. This process ensures secure, cross-domain communication between agents. To standardize tool invocation, we must implement strict audience claim validation. This helps prevent threats like token pass-through and unauthorized code execution. Chained JSON web tokens allow us to maintain an immutable cryptographic history for multi-hop execution, ensuring that human origin policies are enforced throughout the entire workflow. Emerging frameworks from the IETF and OIDF are working to formally separate agent instances from human end users, providing a clearer structure for identity management. The Agent Name Service anchors globally verifiable discoverability to existing DNS infrastructure, providing a scalable way to identify and locate AI agents. Continuous compliance requires a strict separation of retrieval, action, and decision rights, using gateway proxies to ensure governance is consistently applied during runtime. Finally, global regulatory mandates are increasingly requiring legally binding, cryptographically assured digital identities for AI, signaling a shift toward formal, auditable governance. As we scale, it is crucial to recognize that securing multi-agent ecosystems requires the convergence of transport, application, and public trust layers. This unified trust stack ensures that from the execution core to legal frameworks, every interaction remains verifiable. The golden thread of accountability must connect the human sponsor directly to the agent's execution core. Moving forward, deploying autonomous agents without robust identity frameworks represents an unacceptable level of enterprise risk. Securing these agents involves 3 core pillars: inventory management, implementing just-in-time privilege, and adopting cryptographic accountability. By transitioning from static API keys to ephemeral runtime credentials, organizations can significantly reduce their attack surface. With agent populations expected to surpass 1.3 billion by 2028, infrastructure-level scaling is no longer optional. It is a necessity. This growth represents a scale equivalent to the current human population of India, requiring automated, intelligent governance. To support this trajectory, Microsoft Intra provides the necessary control plane for managing, governing, and protecting autonomous entities at scale. We must be aware that unmanaged automation creates 4 critical vectors for enterprise compromise. These risks include agent sprawl, over-permissioning, audit deficits, and the dangerous threat of rogue execution. It is not surprising that 78% of leaders now cite cybersecurity as the primary blocker to wider AI adoption. By focusing on identity as the primary control plane, we can turn these challenges into opportunities for secure innovation. Effective infrastructure design ensures that governance keeps pace with the rapid deployment of new autonomous capabilities. Thank you for watching this overview. By prioritizing identity-centric security, we can build a resilient foundation for the future of AI. This shift toward agency requires us to move beyond simple authentication. We must now address the nuances of intent verification. Intent verification ensures that an agent acts within the specific bounds authorized by its human sponsor. This requires a robust framework for capturing, signing, and auditing every decision made by an autonomous system. Modern architectures are adopting policy as code to enforce these boundaries dynamically across heterogeneous environments. With policy as code, organizations maintain visibility and control, even as agents interact with diverse third-party tools. Data sovereignty remains a critical concern when agents operate across multiple clouds and regional boundaries. Identity-based encryption ensures that sensitive data stays protected, even while being processed by agentic services. We must also consider the role of zero-trust principles in containing the blast radius of any potential agent compromise. Implementing least privilege access for agents prevents them from becoming vehicles for lateral movement within a network. This requires a dynamic identity lifecycle that automatically deprovisions agents when tasks are completed or roles evolve. Continuous monitoring and logging provide the audit trails necessary for retrospective analysis and incident response. By leveraging AI to monitor AI, we can achieve the speed required to detect anomalies in real time. The objective is a self-healing security posture that adapts to the evolving threat landscape of the agentic era. Building this foundation starts today by auditing your current automation footprint and implementing strict identity governance. Prepare your organization now to lead securely into this new paradigm of autonomous digital collaboration.